Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for clicking. This is your girl Zilia Amy once again. A mega shout out to all my returning viewers. And for those of you watching me for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. On this channel, we talk about hair care, skin care, childbirth, and other random stuff. Please remember to subscribe, take the notification bell, and select all so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please, guys, as you watch, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share this video on your way out. Lemon is known for being rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and other minerals. While it is loved for its flavor and also used for skin, there is no surprise that lemon is also very good for hair care, but not without side effects. So here we'll be talking today about the benefits of lemon juice to your hair, how you can use lemon juice to enhance healthy hair growth, and also some side effects of lemon juice to your hair. So we are going to start with the benefits of lemon to your hair. Lemon can help with scalp health promotion, like it can help to promote a healthy scalp. This is because lemon contains antifungal properties that can help to remove dust, dirt, and fungi from your hair. And the antifungal qualities of lemon stop fungus from developing in the scalp. Okay, the citric acid in lemon restores and balances the pH level of the scalp. It cleans and unclogs hair follicles, thereby preventing unwanted bacteria from developing. It regulates the scalp's dry skin, thereby promoting healthy scalp. Okay. Secondly, lemon can help to treat dandruff. Like if you're suffering from dandruff, lemon juice is very good to treat dandruff. Okay. Lemon juice contains antibacterial qualities that make it the best anti-dandruff therapy. Lemon juice helps to remove problems like scalp flaking, scalp acne, and dandruff. Therefore, using lemon can help to treat some hair conditions, of which dandruff is one of them. Thirdly, reduction of excess oil secretion. Lemon can help to reduce the excess oil secretion. Excess oil is also known as sebum, which our skin produces. Even your scalp do produce excess oil. That is why it is always not advisable to like put a lot of oil on your hair, because naturally your hair produces oil, which is called sebum. But if this oil becomes too much, it can lead to some hair conditions like dandruff, okay, because it can cause bacteria to develop in the hair, like from the oil, those bacteria that feed on the oil. It can also lead to some other effects like itchy scalp. Okay, so if you use lemon, okay, because of its acidic content, it can help to restrict the pollutants that might promote a greasy scalp. Okay, so that is why lemon is very good for hair. The fourth benefit of lemon to hair is it helps to renew your strands, your hair strands. You know, your hair strands, they get older as they grow longer. So using lemon juice to your hair will help to renew your strands. If you continuously experience roughness in hair, lemon may assist. Okay, the limonene found in lemons helps rejuvenate dry, frizzy, and rough hair. Lemon juice contains antioxidants like vitamin C and other elements that make your hair very smooth and healthy. The fifth benefit of lemon to your hair, which we'll be talking about today, the last but not the least, is lemon juice are very rich, like we said earlier, in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to boost collagen production in your scalp. As a result, it promotes hair growth. Okay, also, lemon's acidic nature improves hair growth. It cleans up the follicles and activates inactive hair follicles, thereby making your hair to come out very healthy and also to grow very fast. After mentioning the benefits of lemon juice to your hair, it is very important to also note some side effects. Normally, lemon juice being a natural something does not have any like health side effects, but it can react to people with sensitive skin. Like if you have sensitive skin, it can react to you and cause a lot of itching, okay, and maybe burn, especially if it touches your skin. So if you are someone with a very sensitive skin, don't go for lemon juice. Or before you want to use lemon juice, make sure that you do a patch test. If you don't know your skin type, Do a patch test to be sure of what you're putting on your skin so you don't get yourself into trouble. Also, use because of the acidic content of lemon, using it a lot and more frequently can lead to dryness, okay, because acid causes dryness, and the fact that it helps to reduce the excess production of oil in your hair. Therefore, if you use it a lot, it can reduce the oil to the level that it will be less than what your hair requires, and thereby leading to a dry scalp, dry hair. And when you have dry hair, it leads to hair breakage and hair loss. So using it a lot is not recommended. The third side effect of lemon juice is it can cause the color of your hair to change, because if you use it often and takes it to the sun, lemon reacts to sun. Okay, lemon juice, the acidic content in lemon reacts to sun. So when you use it on your hair, wash it before you get to the sun. Or even if it happens that by accident you go outside, make sure that you don't stay for too long outside. Cover your hair or get back into the house and wash your hair, wash off the lemon before you get back outside, because once you continue to stay outside with your hair with lemon juice and it's going to change the color of your hair to maybe something that you won't be happy with. Okay, so the next one we'll be talking about is some remedies, some ways you can combine things that you can use to combine lemon with to use on your hair. We just mention the combinations, and then maybe in the future I'm going to bring DIYs, like the full recipes, where we'll mix them together on video and then we use them. I show you how I mix and use on my hair. So the first one is honey and lemon. Okay, you can mix honey and lemon as your hair moisturizer. You use it to moisturize your hair. Keep it for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then you rinse it off. Okay, that one will leave your hair shining for long. And also, with honey moisturizes the hair very well. Secondly, you can mix amla and lemon juice. Okay, you mix amla and lemon juice. The combination is very good. You apply it to your hair, you leave it there for like 5 minutes, and then you rinse it off. The third way you can use lemon juice is you can use the lemon juice as a rinse. Like, you just mix it in water and use it to rinse your hair. That way it's even more diluted, that you just maybe don't need to wash it off again. Like, after shampooing your hair, the water that you're going to use to rinse your hair off with the conditioner, you should just drop some lemon in it, and then use that to rinse your hair. From there, you continue with moisturizing your hair and keeping your hair in protective styles. So those are just the three ways we'll talk about here. Thank you so much for watching this far. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't go. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe and take the notification bell. For my returning subscribers, a mega shout out. Please don't leave without liking the video, without leaving a comment, and also please share to a friend. Thank you very much. Bye bye.